Hello guys, welcome to my 3D Math 2007 lesson 5. Okay, so today I will still continue to teach you how to use edit spline function. Okay, have a look. Now you can see my 3D Math inside property view have a 3 different model. And then the first, this one you can see the sideboard like this. And inside have a name. The name is my channel name. Okay, so this one is teaching lab 27. And then another one, you can see the board, and then here got the zigzag shading. And then the last one, you can see still the board one, and then inside have a cut up, something like cut up circle shading. So now, okay, these three is it all I'm using edit spline to complete. Okay, so now I will teach you how to map the object like this. I will teach you one by one. So first, okay, these two. Okay, I move to another side. Okay, let's continue this one. So before that, I need to reset layout so easy to see the view. Okay. Now, okay, before I start, you need to imagine, okay, what object inside are using. Okay, so the outside you can see the shading. Actually, for this one, I using rectangle. Okay, you just go to create shape rectangle. Then you can go to the top view to create one rectangle inside. Okay, then after that select and move. Then still select the rectangle. Then you go to modify. Okay, then you can see this one. You can see the corner. I have set out the radial corners. So you need to select the rectangle. Then here, okay, you just imagine how many you want to put, maybe 25 or something like that. Okay. So then now we go back to see this one. You can see the rectangle for this part, how to map the shading like this. Okay, you still remember last time the lesson 4 I have mentioned if you want to edit the spline object. So you need to go edit spline. That means you want to edit more detail or what? Okay, so you need to select the model, then go to modify list, edit spline. Just click. After click, then you can see the selection. You here inside have a vertex function. So you just click, and then how? Select these two, and then move up a bit. And then this one also. Okay, just move to the so, okay, so after that done already, then off the vertex. Okay, off the vertex selection. Okay, so now you can see inside we have a wording. Okay, so where's the wording? How to create the wording? Okay, you still remember if you go to create shape, inside have text. So okay, this one you just click the text and then go to the top view, just click, and then you can see. Okay, this one is a Teach Lab 27. Normally it's show you map text, I think. Okay, okay, this one. Okay, normally it's show you the map text. Okay, this one is a default form. Okay, so okay, so now select the text, then go to modify. Then you can see here parameters. This one is a setting, the text setting. Okay, any font, any wording you want to put, you just put here. Okay, this slot. Okay, so yeah, okay, still put the same one. Teach lab. You put in. Okay, you need to move in. Then after that, you can change the font if you want. Okay, you can try one by one. Maybe you just highlight the font wording, then you just click, okay, the arrow down, just click down, like that, choose the wording, what wording you want. Okay, so for me, I just put commit send as also can, never mind. So Okay, how about subtract? Okay, this one easy. You just still remember how to clone option, how to clone. Okay, just press shift and move down. But this time remember, don't use instant, because instant, if you select this one, after that, if you select the wording, then you change the name, you can see they will be changed together. So remember. So now if you click undo, this one you cannot undo. That means you need to tap back again. You need to type in again. Okay? So teach lab 37. So now, okay, you press shift, move down, use copy because different wording. Okay, so this one I just put subtract. Okay, so now here, okay, put like that, and then maybe you can change other font if you want. See the wording. Okay, so this one you can use rotate, just rotate a bit like that. That's all. Okay, this size maybe you want to put the bigger one. You can see now it's a 337.4, maybe it's a 45. Enter. Okay, now you can see this all. You can see the shading, font I got already. Okay, the wording I got already, and then the outside angle I also got already, and modified the bit. And then one more, you can see inside have a small circle. So that means this one easy. You just using the circle. Look here. Okay, just like that. But if the shading, the old shading, you complete already, but you see it's all still like 2D object, not the 3D one. So how to make like this? How to make like this one? Okay, this one actually easy. You still remember S group? Last lesson I teach you. Okay, so you need to use S group. But before you use S group, okay, you need to do one more step. That means you need to select, because here have a 1, 2, 3, and 4 spline object. Okay, so you need to select one of them. Maybe I select the outside, this one, the shading. And then you need to give, you need to go modify list. Okay, because we already give add this spline. So that means, because if you want to complete like this, okay, you need to select one of them to set up to give add this spline, because we need to using add this spline inside. Got one setting is called, the name is called attach. Attach means it's combined. So we need to use this one. Click and then move. Click one by one. Click. That means combine together. Must select the whole. Okay. After that, attach. Okay, off. Then now deselect. You can see the color is the same one. All is blue color. That means combine become one object already. So now if you select, then you can go to modify list, open. Now you can give S group. So now you can see. Okay, so now you can see the model, because everything I start from top view. So how to stack up like the red color one, this one, the sideboard like this. Easy. Then using select and rotate. Okay, so imagine which one you can stack up, which color you need to select. Red color. Change a little bit, just rotate a little bit, like click here, select move, select and rotate. Put 90 degree. That's all. So after that, click W. W is move. The shortcut I have mentioned. Lesson 1. Okay, you see. So these two actually complete already. So I just select these two, and then I just want, I don't want to delete, I just hide. So hide, just like click, hide. Okay, so now we focus these two again. Okay. Focus, just click C. Okay, no. Focus, just click Z. Okay. Okay, so now I explain this one first, because this one more easy. So this one is the last one. Okay, I put to another side. So okay, this one, okay, you can imagine how many objects inside. You know what? Actually, I think this one is very easy. Okay. One is the outside one. This one is a rectangle, and then inside have a 4 circle. So total have 5 spline object. So that means you just follow. Okay, you can go to top, create one rectangle, then circle 1, 2, 3, and 4, like that. But be careful, don't overlap like this. Still remember, if your line can't overlap like this, after you extrude, okay, you cannot see the solid face, okay, in your object. Okay, something like this. So now we have a 5 spline object. So now if you want to become like this 3D object, how? Okay, first you need to select one of them. Okay, let's say I select the bigger one. Then go to modify list, edit spline. Why? Because this time I don't want to use vertex. No need to change anything. I need to using edit spline inside. Another function is called attach. Okay, the step only. Okay, so one by one. Which one you want to combine? Just one by one. After that, just deselect attach. If I deselect the object, you can see the everything is a one color only. That's mean combine already. So now this time you can go to select the object, go to modify list, extrude. So you see, that's all. Then you can. It actually is a shortcut. Rotate, select and rotate. Okay. All done already. Okay, so these two I hide also, just like click. Just select together, then like click. So now we focus this one. Okay. This one a bit, I cannot say it's difficult, just a bit more step to complete. Okay, so now, okay, so first you need to correct the rectangle. Okay, same like this one, you just follow. Okay, so another one you can using star. Okay, maybe you want to using donut, elixir, or other shape also can. But I using star because easy to explain. Okay, I can put like that. Okay, then next stage. Okay, you need to select these two, but you can either. Okay, you cannot select both. You need to select one by one. Let's say now, first rectangle, you need to select first. Go to modify list, edit spline. But after that, you don't need to do anything. Next stage, you need to select star again. Repeat. List, edit spline again. Okay, so both you need to select edit spline, but cannot select together and then give edit spline. You need to select one. Next stage, you need to select maybe star also can, or maybe rectangle, but I suggest you can select rectangle because more clear to explain for me. Okay, so select the rectangle. So now you need to find out attach. Because why? Because these two have a edit spline but haven't combined together. So if you want to trim the object, you need to combine first. That means you need to use attach. Click the object. So after that, you click the object already. Now next stage, you need to using spline. Okay, after select spline, then you move down, go to find out the wording, trim this one. Okay, so just click. And then after that, just click the outside one, cut and cut. That's all. Then one more. Okay, maybe this one you need to cut also. Like this. Okay, finish. So after that, trim, deselect again. Okay, so now, okay, one more step again. Because why? You can see. Okay, I move out. I rescale the view. Okay, you can see because actually the existing object is two objects. Then you're using trim to complete the model like the shading like this. But like you can see, if now I select the vertex, I click the vertex, click the point, and then you tap up. Oh, not here. Okay, this one, you tap up, you see, actually have a 2 point in the same plane. So that means these two you need to combine together. Okay, so including this one, you see, have a 2 point. So you need to using weld to complete the point, complete become like 1 point. Okay, why I need to do like that? Because if you not do like that, okay, let me show you. Okay, just see, select the object, modify list, extrude. Then you can see the model will become like, you can see the model, but just the outline solid. But the face you can see top and the bottom you cannot see the solid. So that's the problem. Okay, so remember. So now extrude, I delete first. Okay, now go back to select vertex. Okay, double check. Okay, this point inside have another point. Actually have 2 points. So select together and then move down. Okay, find out this one where. Okay, only is 1 and. But for us, this because this one is a weld instant, so that means this one the number you can put bigger, maybe 100. I think enough for this. So just click weld. After that, click already. Then you double check. Is it become 1 already or not? You see? Okay, line already. So this one also select. Weld again. Okay, that's all. Okay, so now you can double check. You see? Okay, so if you complete this all, so now you can deselect the tag, go to modify list, extrude. Now you see, model come up already. Okay, so now you just protect, like it. That's all. Okay, so actually this spline is very important in future. Thanks guys, today video tutorials end here. If you like my video, you can click subscribe my channel to see more coming video and update. Thanks.